Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to derive the quadratic equation. We'll begin by setting up the standard form of a quadratic equation, which is x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Our primary objective is to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. This entire derivation relies on the powerful algebraic technique known as completing the square, a fundamental skill in algebra. To begin completing the square, first divide every term in the equation by a, assuming a is not 0. This simplifies the leading coefficient to 1. Next, move the constant term, which is now c over a, to the right-hand side of the equation. Finally, add the square of b divided by 2a to both sides. This crucial step transforms the left side into a perfect square trinomial. Now that we've completed the square, the left side of our equation can be factored into a perfect square, x plus b over 2a, all squared. The next step is to take the square root of both sides of the equation. Remember to include both the positive and negative roots on the right side. Finally, subtract b over 2a from both sides to successfully isolate x and bring us closer to the final formula. With x isolated, the final step is to combine the terms on the right-hand side using a common denominator, which is 2a. After simplifying the expression under the square root, we arrive at the well-known quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. This powerful formula provides the two solutions for any quadratic equation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.